So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing a pack with me video. I'm going to New York for the weekend with a friend of mine who's celebrating her birthday, which today is actually her birthday when I'm filming this, but yeah, we're gonna have a little fun this weekend safely. But yeah, I haven't seen her since Christmas. So yeah, we're gonna do this. So this is the end of me and we're just gonna go straight into it. We're gonna start packing. Excuse my unmade bed if you see it. But yeah, I've laid out all my clothes here and my nightwear or pajamas, whatever you want to say. And then I kind of laid everything in categories: body care, skincare, makeup, things, towel. I like to bring my own towel, stuff for my hair. You know what these are, the things. I'm technically putting everything in their own little bag and then putting it in a bag. Accessories, my shoes. I'm gonna use these little Shein baggies for like my white shirt and my underwear, and we're gonna pack them in this Kate Spade duffel. So yeah, just an overview of everything. Any advice on packing? Pick out all your outfits for the days that you're gonna be there, and a little extra, and put your things into categories of what you know you're gonna need. And yeah, and in my handbag I'm just gonna put like my iPad, wallet, that kind of stuff. And yeah, I'm not gonna show you that, I'm just gonna show you what I put in this bag. So yeah, in a second. So let's get packing. So I roll my clothes starting from the leg. Insert it. Already rolled most of them. And that basically brings us to the end of the packing. Let me show you. So I have this bag and that bag. I need to add my washcloth, and I'm actually gonna end up wearing these shoes. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, I hope that you keep coming back for more. You see, the girl's trying to push out content and everything. So if you like videos like these, like, subscribe, share, tell your mom about it, tell your sister about it, whatever. And yeah, I'm about to get on my train and be out.